Okay, I haven't updated this for a little while. We went from Esperance back up to Norseman, and then out to Border Village yesterday, and today we're doing the South Australia part of the Nullarbor, and we're at Yalata now. And we're at Yalata. We finish at Ceduna tonight, and then we go across there to Port Augusta, and then we go Adelaide, down to Mount Gambier and the Great Ocean Road, and so on and so forth. Ceduna Foreshore Hotel Motel. Done, the Nullarbor finished. So we lashed out on the executive suite. Nice big bathroom, bed. How is this, all right?
Very nice.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Heading for Port Augusta. Finally some new territory we're covering today. Should be good. Nice and cool this morning, 17 degrees. Wow. So we stopped in a little town called Minipa in the middle of South Australia, what ultimately looks like an abandoned town. But tell me if I'm wrong, there's this little toilet block here. There's no graffiti anywhere. There's a defib machine on the outside of the building. Like if this was back in Newcastle, this would be covered in graffiti, that'd be gone. In the toilets, no graffiti. Toilet brush, bucket, instructions. This would last about 3 minutes in Newcastle, I tell you. It's unbelievable. No rubbish anywhere. It's just so dry out here. Unbelievable. Halfway across Australia. Look at this, eh? Port Augusta. Wow, very nice. Little kitchen, telly. Okay, today's little journey took us from Ceduna down here to Kimber with a big cockatoo or galah, and back up to Port Augusta. That's it. And now we head down around here back home. Port Augusta, headed for Adelaide for a few days off. A few days off the bike anyway. Look at this civilization, traffic on the outskirts of Adelaide. Oh yeah, here we are. Bathroom, kitchen, and the honeymoon suite for the 30th anniversary. Done. Okay, I'm gonna make this the last video because I've made videos from Adelaide, Adelaide, Mount Gambier, and the Great Ocean Road was all done on the Outback to the Ocean series. So the last little bit we did was from Port Augusta, Port Pirie, and we went straight down to Adelaide. So that'll be it for this series. Hope you all enjoyed it, and catch you next time.